Hi, this is Piero, Head of Research and Development at SecPoint. I'm here to show you the features of the new Protector 18.5. We have introduced, with this release of the Protector, the Alert Center. The Alert Center allows you to be notified when the Protector records events of possible threat or a not perfect status of the Protector. If you go to the Advanced menu, you will see that you have a new Alert Center menu. Let's enter the first item, Notification Emails and Syslog. Here you can choose the notification method for any of these three main areas on the left: System Status, Firmware Update and Alert Level Change. The System Status is the one that you can see here on the right column. The Alert Level Change is an event that happens when any of these meters changes from green to any other color and vice versa. You can select to be notified by email or by syslog. If you have a syslog server, you can just click here and you will be notified by syslog. If you enter an email address, you will be also notified by email. If you don't enter an email address and you don't select syslog, you will be not notified for that area. For firmware update, you will receive notifications when a firmware update starts and when a firmware update ends. For the alert level change area, you have a deeper level of customization. You can click here or go to the Alert Center menu and customize notifications. Here, for any of the subjects controlled by the Protector, you can choose for which levels you will be notified and for which subject. For example, if you are not interested in notifications about yellow level, you can unselect yellow level, and the same for a subject. If you choose to be notified by syslog, remember to configure your syslog server here in the Alert Center menu by entering the IP address and the port of your syslog server. You can also send a test message to check that everything is okay. One more thing we can customize about the Alert Center are the threshold levels. Thresholds are the values that define the border between an alert level and another one. These subjects are controlled by the Protector over a predefined set of periods. So, for each of these subjects, we have threshold levels for every period. For example, the number 20 here means that if the Protector receives at least 20 spam messages in the last hour, it will turn the alert level for spam from green to yellow. Number 100 means that if in the last 24 hours the Protector receives at least 100 spam messages, it will turn the alert level to orange. Of course, we may have different alert levels for different periods. For example, if we received 45 spam messages in the last hour, but we received 350 spam in the last 24 hours, the general level for spam will not be orange but will be red. The same way, you can customize the threshold levels for every other subject. Or if you prefer, you can customize the same threshold levels by period. Here, for example, we have the threshold levels for all subjects for 1 hour. And these are the same values that we saw before for spam over 1 hour. To have more details about the alert status for one of these subjects, you can click on the meter on the right side of the page. Here we see the alert status for web filter, and we see that for 24 hours the level is orange, but for 7 days and 30 days the level is red, and for this reason the level is red. If you drag the mouse over the little icon, you see the threshold level for that color. If you click here on alert status on the menu, you see the alert status for every subject. So here we see the reason why the level is yellow for spam, because we passed the threshold level for 7 days. With this release of the protector, we have created new mail and spam statistics. If you go to the anti-spam statistics menu, you can choose among 3 possible statistics. The first one gives an overview of all spam and virus-infected mails. You can choose the period of your statistics, and here you have your data. We have total mails processed, total spam, total virus, mail volume in megabytes, and a table containing all the data. Then we have the same information for the top viruses, and then we have the mail report, which gives information about mails sent and received. Here we can see the result of our report. We have top senders and receivers by quantity and by volume, and the same information for the domain names. Another feature we have added is in the NCP filtering rules. If we go to the configuration of NCP rules, we can see 2 new columns. The first one is the NCP ID, which contains the ID of NCP rules that can help us to identify the rule that caused a mail to be blocked. The second one is a parameter which drives the filter in the decision of blocking or not any mail. If we put yes here, we mean to block the email only if the text is found as a single word in the text of the email. Otherwise, with no, we mean to block the email also if the text is found as part of another word, as for sex in Middlesex. Now it's easy to find out which NCP rule caused an email to be blocked. If you go to the quarantine message listing and you click here to see the email details, on the bottom you can see the NCP report, and here you see the NCP rule ID, and you also see a description of the rule. If you want, you can click here to edit the rule and change some parameters. To have a complete description of the new features of Protector 18.5, you can read the release notes document that has been released with the new firmware of the Protector. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.